I just wanted to do a review real fast on the Peak Suspension Trail Kit. I put it on, as you can see, this is my 24 Tacoma off-road. I was hoping that it wouldn't have a rake or anything, but it only lifts it 2 1/4 in the front. It comes with a 1-inch spacer. I didn't put that on because the rear stock sits so high already, and I was hoping that just the kit in the front would fix the rake, but as you can see, it doesn't. I'm pretty unhappy with the kit. I think to level these trucks out, it needs to be a 3-inch, 3.5-inch in the front, and it'll completely level out the truck. So if you're wondering about the trail kit, the Peak Suspension Trail Kit, just my opinion, I wouldn't recommend it. It doesn't level the truck out. It does 2 1/4 does make it so you can run 35-inch tires, which I'm doing right now, 35 by 1250. That's only positive. And yeah, I should have just went with the rough country 3.5-inch kit that I was wanting to get, but maybe next time. But yeah, still sits sport raked. I hate that look. I'm not sure a lot of people like that, but I want the truck completely level. But yeah, thanks for watching.